loving it. I'm loving the fact that I could track every lead that comes through the funnel builder and where it comes from, which is really cool with the whole feature of the tracking. And my primary methods are Facebook, YouTube, and solo ad traffic, and those are three methods that I use together. And I know that not all solo ad traffic is created equally. It's all different depending on how somebody builds their list, right? And it's very important when you do any kind of paid advertising to actually know how somebody is building their list, and to start small, like start out like 200 clicks, at first to test, right, and see how that goes. And in that 200 click run, you should get about a 40 to 50% opt-in rate at least. Now, I started selling traffic, but I started selling as a marketer to be able to master the skill. So when you learn some skills and you put them to use, then you become better at them. And I try to show people in my group, which is it's a Profit Builders Alliance, and I try to show people in there, like, my main goal in my group is to show people what to do to build profits, right? And the people that follow the things that I say to do, is they're the ones that are making sales and getting results. And it's very important that if you signed up, and whoever the leader is that you signed up with, it's very important to be coachable, because that's one of the main things that's going to get you results. A lot of people, they get into an opportunity or get into something, and they'll stray away, and they'll be like, "Whoa, why can't I get any results? Why aren't I making any sales?" And it's very, very simple, actually, and it breaks down to, having a strategy. And I'm all about strategy. I'm all about numbers. I like numbers, so when you know the numbers, you're able to get the result. And if you follow a strategy and a plan, then it grows over time, but you have to be consistent with it. And it's like I tell people, whenever you get into something, it's important to go all in, because if you go all in, what that's going to do is that's going to position you to make and earn the most amount of money. And when you're able to earn the most amount of money, then that means you could help more people. And that also means that you're going to grow faster. It's going to help you to grow a lot faster than if you were to just come in at the funnel builder level and just try to make $150, $20 commissions to get to $3,000, and that's the goal that Paul and Mike talk about. It's getting to $3,000. Would you rather make 150 sales to get to that level? Or would you rather make 25? There's only two ways to do this. And you can do it the long way, or you can do it the short way. And that's exactly what I tell people when I'm having, conversations with people on Facebook. Because a lot of people are scared to ask for the sale, and they're scared to have a conversation with people and find out what they really need. Right? And that's the goal. When you're having a conversation with people, it has nothing to do with a product. It has nothing to do with selling anything. It has nothing to do with sales. It has to do with finding what's wrong in somebody's life and what they're going through. and finding a solution for them. And when you're able to find a solution,